So I want to look at itching in the vulva or itching in the vaginal area. What could be the possible cause of itching? Alright, so a woman is itching, there's a lot of unrest, okay, because when your body is itching you and all of that, you can't really have some rest for a while, okay, so you just have to be, here and there. So vulval and vaginal pruritus, that's the itching. They are common but often distressing symptoms, and they can come from a wide range of causes. Now, so many things can be causing it. So common causes could be infections like yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis, sexually transmitted infections like Trichomoniasis, genital herpes, okay, threadworms or scabies. It could be infections or it could be irritants, depending on the soap you are using, the scent you are using, vaginal sprays, okay. Then the type of underwear you are wearing too. It could be skin issues that the person has, like eczema, psoriasis, lichen sclerosus, lichen planus, okay. It could be hormonal changes, okay. You can be having itching and this itching is coming in your menopause, okay. Poor hygiene, okay, you're not keeping your genitals healthy. Also wearing wet clothes, okay, so inadequate drying of the clothes. So but generally treatment of the itching depends on what is causing it, right? You can see a lot of causes, all right. If it is fungals, you use antifungals. If it is bacterial infections, you use what? Antibiotics. If it is inflammatory conditions of like all those skin stuffs, you use what? Steroids and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, right? Then if it is allergic conditions, use antihistamines so that histamines are not really released for the allergic reaction. Then if it is issues of dryness, you can now use any creams that will basically moisturize that area back to how it used to be, okay. So prevention, that's basically you have to avoid douching, so avoid using all those scented stuffs. Wear breathable clothing, underwear. Avoid tight clothing, okay. Practice good hygiene. Avoid any irritants. If you have actually identified anything that is irritating you there, then you have to avoid it by all means.